Every year during Black History Month, we are pleased to bring together Black identifying students from across our board to honor and celebrate the great depth and breadth of contributions that Black Canadians and Black folks across the African diaspora have had both to this country and globally.
The Exploring Us event has been very fun. I get to see people that are just like me, lots of teachers and supervisors that are really helping us and helping us learn.
For the past 2 years, we've been looking forward to it. Right? We are always talking about it in school and counting down the days until we can come see what our grad coaches have for us.
This event, Exploring Us, is about letting you know that your birthright, the very place that your ancestors have originated from, is one that is built in brilliance, brightness, and most importantly, contributions that people have not only profited on, but choose in many different ways to emulate.